Io, the volcano moon, orbits closest to Jupiter. Io shows what can come from living too close to an unsympathetic god. Heaved and stretched by gravitational interactions with Jupiter, and warped by tidal resonances with the other three large moons, Io is constantly being turned inside out. With hundreds of volcanoes, some blasting lava to altitudes up to 400 kilometers, Io is the most geologically active body in the solar system.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified.